Hello everyone, welcome to my The Real Housewives of Atlanta official channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. After marrying in 2017, Kenya Moore, star of The Real Housewives of Atlanta, and Mark Daly welcomed their daughter Brooklyn in November 2018. In court, Moore's ex-husband Daly suggested a child support and custody arrangement, revealing Moore's financial situation. Mark filed a proposed permanent parenting plan and a proposed child support addendum as part of their contentious divorce battle, according to court documents that RHOA was able to get. The Bravo star filed for divorce in May 2021, as we first revealed. 2019 saw the couple's formal breakup. Brooklyn is the daughter of the former couple. The reality star filed a custody case for Brooklyn before Kenya filed for divorce. Kenya and Mark decided at the conclusion of the case that she would have primary custody and he would have visitation rights. Mark is able to influence his child's significant life decisions because of their agreement to share legal custody. Mark tried to stop his daughter from shooting Real Housewives of Atlanta as part of the custody dispute. It was unsuitable, he claimed, for a small child. Ultimately, though, the judge decided that Brooklyn could film the reality star under some restrictions. Kenya would put Brooklyn in any environment that might not be in the minor child's best interest or may in any way be considered dangerous or inappropriate, the judge said, adding that he was not convinced and no evidence has been shown. The ruling stated, Kenya shall advise Mark of the content of the appearance and notify Mark of any opportunity where the minor child will appear on camera. The minor child will only be involved in opportunities that are age-appropriate. Kenya asked Mark for child support throughout the divorce. He responded by requesting a portion of their shared Georgian house, which Kenya had bought before to their marriage. Mark stated he was still in favor of Kenya having primary custody and sharing legal custody in his proposed parenting plan, which was submitted this week in the divorce. Each party will be responsible for his/her own costs and expenses associated with their parenting time, including, but not limited to, travel expenses, except in the event father elects to exercise his parenting time in his state of residence, in which case father shall be responsible for the costs of the child's flight to and from father's state of residence for father's parenting time, declared Mark's proposal, which was submitted from his home in New York. Furthermore, it stated calls and texts should not unduly disrupt the other parent's parenting time. Mark stated that his gross monthly income is $5,000, while Kenya's is $50,000 in relation to child support. Mark suggested that he give $521 a month in child support to Kenya. Not yet ruled by a judge. Mark sought that Kenya be declared in contempt for enabling Brooklyn to film projects without his knowledge, as we first reported earlier this year. Additionally, he stated that when RHOA was being filmed, Kenya permitted their daughter to be in close proximity to an altercation. Kenya refuted the charges. She claimed that Mark was aware of the projects and that Brooklyn was not even informed of the altercation that occurred when the film was being made. Mark Daly and Kenya Moore's divorce is still acrimonious. The 52-year-old Real Housewives of Atlanta star updated the audience on their ongoing divorce during Friday's BravoCon 2023 panel. On the panel with her co-stars Candy Burris, Sheree Whitfield, Sonia Richards-Ross, and Marvo Hampton, she said, "Yes, there's been some movement. We had a court hearing and then got on the trial calendar, so we're going to go to trial, and then we got bumped off the trial calendar," she said, before responding, "I can't make this stuff up. I'm saying it right now. I will be single and divorced before 2024, Moore went on to claim. In December 2016, Moore and Daly started dating. They got married in June 2017 and welcomed Brooklyn Doris into the world in November 2018. However, after 2 years of marriage, the couple declared their separation in September 2019. Moore added, "I regret to inform my fans that I am divorcing my husband Mark Daly. It is with profound sadness. I am unable to continue in the marriage due to current and ongoing circumstances. Brooklyn, my miracle baby, is and will always be my one priority and source of concern. She was created out of genuine love and dedication. I request that going future, our privacy be respected. She has two parents who love her very much and in her best interests. This situation should remain as private as possible, Daly said in reference to their daughter. I treasure the happy moments spent with my family, and I'll keep being a caring co-parent. False allegations, innuendo, and rumors only serve to harm our family, and we will take legal action where the law allows, he continued. Please respect our privacy during this challenging period. Moore finally spoke about the breakup, stating that she didn't get married to quit. My spouse is someone I adore. There's no denying his affection for me. To be clear, I meant business when I made my vows. Especially when we do have a child and we are a family. I believe in trying it all before you walk away, she added, adding that she doesn't get the sense that Daly feels the same way. I have always wanted to improve our connection and I am hopeful. But to be honest, I'm not sure if that's really feasible right now, Moore continued. It appears that Mark is not present. If I knew I had exhausted all possibilities and it was still not working, then I would be more at ease ending things. We also undoubtedly fell short of doing all the necessary steps to keep our relationship intact. Moore joked on Watch What Happens Live in January, almost 2 years after filing for divorce in August 2021, claiming to have the world's longest divorce. The holdup is because things are at a standstill, she said months earlier during the RHOA reunion, adding that Daly is not asking for anything at this point. So until we get a trial date or settle, it's still going to go on, she stated. My spouse is someone I adore. There's no denying his affection for me. To be clear, I meant business when I make my vows. Especially when we do have a child and we are a family. I believe in trying it all before you walk away, she added, adding that she doesn't get the sense that Daly feels the same way. I have always wanted to improve our connection and I am hopeful. But to be honest, I'm not sure if that's really feasible right now, Moore continued. It appears that Mark is not present. If I knew I had exhausted all possibilities and it was still not working, then I would be more at ease ending things. We also undoubtedly fell short of doing all the necessary steps to keep our relationship intact. The judge said he was not convinced, and no evidence has been shown, that Kenya would place Brooklyn in any environment that might not be in the minor child's best interest, or may in any way be considered dangerous or inappropriate. Kenya shall notify Mark of any opportunity where the minor child will appear on camera and shall advise Mark of the content of the appearance. The minor child will only be involved in opportunities that are age-appropriate, the order read. In the divorce, Kenya demanded child support from Mark. In response, he demanded a cut of the Georgia home they shared that Kenya purchased before they wed. In his proposed parenting plan, filed this week in the divorce, Mark revealed he was still on board with Kenya having primary custody and sharing legal custody. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.